Hey there, today we are unboxing and trying out these rechargeable lithium ion AAA batteries. Alright, let's open it up and see what's inside. Right out the box, we have a USB Type-C charging cable and the batteries in a charger case. And the user manual tucked in a corner. I almost missed that, so make sure you look for it. Now let's take a closer look at everything. First up, the manual. This charger set can charge up to 8 AAA batteries at once. The manual has all the information you need, including safety guidelines. Definitely worth a read. Next, the cable. It's a USB Type A to USB Type C cable for powering the charger. The charger itself is sleek and mine came in this black with orange accents. Inside we have the 8 AAA rechargeable batteries. They fit perfectly in the charger and look great. For the charging demonstration, simply plug the cable into your power source, connect the charger, and place the batteries in. On top, there are LED indicators for each battery. Red means the battery is charging, and green means it's fully charged and ready to go. Now I'm going to be testing the batteries with this here multimeter to see if you're actually getting 1.5 volts. And would you look at that, we are. My batteries came well pre-charged. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.